This is Sanjay Kumar, creator of SelectorsHub and Crowpath. You might have seen so many tools, so many innovations, but what is unique? Something really unique SelectorsHub has introduced to the world. There are so many innovations in it, but there is one more, a really unique thing, which it has changed the way tools looks or design or what user experience has. At runtime, in your local system, you can decide the user interface the way you want to use. You might never ever have seen such kind of thing, like because somebody doesn't want, like okay, I don't want to see the UI, I didn't like the UI this way, or I don't want to see all these content. So can you decide this runtime or in any tool? So let me show you something really unique here. You might never ever have seen any selectors tool like this, which allow you to design or set your user interface at runtime as you want to. So if you open the selectors of view, by default you will see like this, but many people doesn't want to get these selectors auto generated, and probably I didn't like the UI, I don't want to see all these content, like I just want to write my own selector like this. Here you just start typing, so you know that SelectorsHub is a smart editor, only smart editor out there which gives the auto suggestion. So I just want to write my own selector simply in the very simple UI. I don't want to see all these junks and all, right? So what you can do, what we can do, what SelectorsHub introduced something really innovative is there is a toggle button, turn off auto generated, and there you go, you got a very simple UI, neat and clean. There is nothing which you want to see here. So, and you need not to worry about that, like what if, like next time if I close it and if I open it again, how the UI will look like. You see, if you will open it, it will open with the view which you have set. For an example, even if you go to the next, I mean some other website, let's say test project, very good community product, so, and it's absolutely free. So if you go and open there as well, you will find the selectors will open with the default what you have saved for you. And at any point of time you want to set it back to the, like you want to get the auto generated selector, you can select that. And now here so many things are there. Okay, I didn't want to see this, I didn't want this attribute filters, you can turn it off. This will, you can see, like it even more simple. You want to see those filter thing, you can click and open that. If you want to let's say you are working on a page object model or any set framework for which you want to generate the selectors with the command itself, so you can click on this, and here you can add your command, like let's say find by xpath, and wherever you are writing xpath, you just replace that, just keep the keyword xpath value and hit enter. So you see that now we have set this view. You close this, open it again, and you will find that, like when you will open, it will open with your view. And if you want to, doesn't want to see all this, you can close this, and next time when you will open, it will open with your view. Okay, now what if there are more such things, like which you can design at runtime, which you can decide at runtime what you want to see, what you doesn't want to see. So selectors have also gives you that facility that even you don't need to open the dev tools as well. So you see that if you right click here, let's say you right click here, there is, on right click you got the context menu, copy relative xpath css, everything is there. You need not even open the SelectorsHub tab. But for many people, relative CSS selector, JS path, absolute XPath doesn't require. Then why we are seeing all these things? Yes, we have the way. You can decide what you want to see. You just click on SelectorsHub logo here on the right top corner on the dev tools. on the right top corner of the your toolbar, there you have the context menu. You can, in fact, you can turn it off if you want, or you want, let's say you doesn't want to see absolute X path, you don't need JS path, you just turn it off. Now you right click and you see that only two options are there. If you don't want to see the relative CSS selector, you can turn it off any point of time. You just right click and there you go, you just got the relative X path. So this is really awesome that you have all the control. Like if you find that okay, I didn't want to see that in the context menu, so you just keep it off, so you will not find it here. And at any point of time you want to turn it on, you just turn it on. Whatever you want, you can select that. You don't want X path, you just turn it off. You want CSS selector only, working on some JS framework based technology, then you can use that one. So it's completely customizable, completely really means useful for the user perspective. Whatever you want to see, what you don't want to see, everything is customizable, and everything it saves in local. So next time when you open it for new website or for the new page, it doesn't like open with default settings. It's up to you whenever you want, and whatever view you want, you can set that. Like we have set this, if you close this, then it comes with that way. So this is really innovative. This is completely as per the user perspective, considering those things, like because it is being used almost like every country of the world, more than 100 countries it is being used within a month of time of launch. So everybody is using, few people like this, few people doesn't like that. So it consider each and everything, and really innovative and very crisp and clear UI. If you want to copy this, so you see that you didn't find it like so many copy icons and all those stuff. You just click on these header, whichever selector you want to copy, click on them. If you want to edit any of these values, you just click on that. So you see that you will find that those innovative things here. If you want to copy this value, you just click on this header, it will copy that value, box value. So all those things are really innovative design and really crisp and clear. There's nothing like that you will not like. And at any point of time you want to reset the settings of this panel, you just click on this reset button, it will set it to the default settings. So this is really helpful. In fact, like these checkbox as well, like you want to generate with your some specific attribute that you can pass, and it will save in the local as well. So really helpful. I hope this will really help you to experience this new terminology, or the new way of the tool which you can design it, which the user interface of the tool which you can decide at the runtime. And this is really helpful, this is really innovative, and this is really incredible. I'm sure you will love it, and I would really request you, if you like it, please share it with your friends, community, and help everyone. I'm working full time for the community only on this tool, so if you like it, uh, please share it. I'm damn sure like it will save a lot of time for everyone, and it's really helping a lot. And I would really request you can donate and support. And the big support from you guys, from for the motivation for me to work really hard on this tool, is that your review and rating and sharing with the community and helping them. So I would really request, add your review here. You can click and give, it will take hardly 5 to 10 seconds for you to give the rating and write a review, and share with the community on like different social media platform, so everybody get to know about this amazing solution. With that, thank you so much. If you have any review comment, please reach out to me. There are like please check out these footer links, so you will find the ways to connect with me on any of the media social media platform. You can connect, or like Slack directly you can connect. So yeah, with that, thank you so much.